Okay, so this is not a tourist season. Here? Here inside?
Laglag kita dyan. Uy, gagi. Huwag kang umawa. Seryoso. Huwag kang umawa. Huwag kang umawa. Huwag kang umawa.
Got it.
Dito, dito.
Yan! Ako kakagat talaga ako.
What? What?
Ano? Ala, ala na, ano? Ano, puno na, full storage. Full storage yung cellphone ko.
Na. Ano to? May ko. May moto.
May sapot. Wala yung flavoring.
1, 2, 3.
Ah!
Parang yung bulate. Parang yung ano, uod. Ang tigas. Ay, matay. Ay, matay.
Okay, let's go help. So we are in Siem Reap. I'm sure I'm pronouncing that wrong. Huh?
The only one
Oh,
hotel that have a tower like the temple like this.
Oh, the only one.
Yeah, the only one.
Oh, that's
Smiling Hotel, yeah.
Oh, okay. How do you say where we are? How do you, Siam Reap?
Siem Reap.
Siem Reap.
Siem Reap. Yeah.
Okay.
Siam is like 9 in Filipino.
Yeah.
9.
Okay, so babe, where are we going right now?
Floating village.
Okay. What are you guys gonna do there?
We're gonna eat.
Okay, I thought so.
Take the boat.
Kind of out in the middle of nowhere here. It's on the way to the airport, and it's really just flat, sort of like Eastern Oregon or Northern California type. Oh, he's no dummy, huh? Make a little sand cave. Well, the dogs here look the same, don't they?
But you rarely see dog.
Oh. Oh, he's interested. Mm. Mm.
He dig it for cold.
Yes, very smart guy.
How much all and then?
Yeah. The first, your driver is bring you to the boat station. After arrive at the boat, you can take this one. This is a rowboat. This is a motorboat. It's small. Just only your group, only 4 people on the boat, crossing to the village and then to the mangrove forest. You can stop at the floating restaurant to take a rest and buy some drink, anything. And then at the floating restaurant, you can see the crocodile farm. You can stop and you can see over there. After that, you can, if you want to see the sunset, the boat will take you to see the sunset. at the lake. They take around 1.5 or 2 hours. You cannot stay long or short.
So what time is the sunset?
The sunset at 6:30. 6:30 something. You can stay at the lake. Right? So when you finish, the boat will bring you back.
So how much each?
$22 one person each.
No discount for 4?
This is the fixed price, standard one for community.
How about for Lions Club?
Okay. How much? $88.
Yeah,
$88. Do you take card?
cash only.
Wow, look at the stilts on that one. Not too slow. Just your average neighborhood. Man, oh man, look how high they are. Look at that. You're right, they are getting higher. Jackfruit, yeah. This is cool. Hi.
We start from September, yeah, to October.
Wow.
Yeah.
High water.
But the rain is
Wife and I, and maybe,
Baby.
yeah.
what? Oh yeah, Vincent would love it here. How much would it cost to rent a house there?
I am not sure, yeah. We will ask them for,
No idea.
yeah.
And the elephant here.
Where? Oh yeah.
Is that at the temple?
This temple.
Oh, okay.
So do all of these boats
On the front. Okay, so this is not a tourist season. So there's only us here. Here? You inside? What's your head, man?
Hey, Aaron. anything? Had to hop onto the bow because we were hitting land. Riverbed.
Yes.
So long. It's been something.
Uy, gago. Uy, gagi.
Huwag kang umawa.
Seryoso.
Umawa.
Seryoso.
Umawa.
Seryoso.
Huwag kang umawa.
You want it?
Dito, isa. Dalawa.
Parang tanga. Paano ko ito? Isa.
Isa. Dalawa.
Hoy!
Ano? Hindi ka talaga dito. Make sure I'm breaking their Let me go there.
It says it's got tires.
Different experience. Yes. Very, very different. Now that is experience. Look at this flower. Look at that. That's rusted.
You see the water up there, yeah, to the house. No,
He said the
during
greenhouse there is haunted. Spirit house.
Yeah.
So people are afraid to go inside. They put
Baby,
candles
that-
there.
That's
That's
blue.
blue.
So this is a spirit house, haunted house. They believe there's spirits in there and they put candles. There's a dog up there. no. Jaja found more puppies. 3 more. That'll make 7. She's the puppy whisperer. And then this ghastly thing here. So this is the floating village. Okay. You know what? Community chief, like barangay. Community.